Today we are going to discuss about bases and exponents. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to express numbers with exponents and evaluate expressions with exponents. Motivate yourself. Okay, these are on the left, these are exponent notation. So one of these is 5 cubed. So the base is 5 while the exponent is 3. Its expanded notation is 5 times 5 times 5. The value is 125. Next is 3 to the power of 4. The base is 3 while the exponent is 4. Its expanded form is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. The value is 81. Next is 4 to the power of 2. The base is 4 while the exponent is 2. Its expanded form is 4 times 4. So the value is 16. Next is 2 to the power of 5. The base is 2 while the exponent is 5. Its expanded form is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 32. Next is 12 to the power of 2. The base is 12 while the exponent is 2. Its expanded form is 12 times 12, so the value is 144. For the lesson proper, to indicate repeated multiplication, we use natural number exponents. So examples, 5 cubed. So it means 5 times 5 times 5. So it is 125. Next is 2 to the power of 5, which means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 32. Next is quantity negative 4 to the power of 3. So it is negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4, which is negative 64. Next is b to the power of 5. So it is b times b times b times b times b. Next is negative r to the power of 6. So it means negative quantity r times r times r times r times r times r. Natural number exponents. If n is a natural number, then x to the power of n is equal to x times x times x times dot 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 times x. So it is n factors of x. In the expression x to the power of n, x is the base and n is the exponent. The whole expression is called the nth power of x. So x to the power of n, x is the base while n is the exponent. Also, exponent is the same as index. The exponent, which is a natural number, tells how many times its base is used as a factor. When 1 is used as an exponent, it means that its base is to be used 1 time as a factor. An exponent of 2 means that the base is used 2 times as a factor, or the base is squared. When 3 is used as an exponent, the base is cubed. Write each product using exponents. So number 1, negative quantity 8 times 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 8, which is equal to negative quantity 8 to the power of 8, or it is negative 8 to the power of 8. Number 2, xy times xy times xy times xy times xy. So count how many times xy was multiplied by itself. So it is quantity xy to the power of 5. Identify the base, then write the expression as a product of factors, then multiply. Number 1, quantity negative 2 to the power of 3. The base is negative 2, so it is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Number 2, 9 times 3 squared. So the base is 3. So 9 times 3 times 3, so it is equal to 9 times 9, which is 81. Number 3, negative 4 cubed. So the base is 4. So it is equal to negative quantity 4 times 4 times 4, which is negative 64. Number 4, quantity 3/4 squared. So the base is 3/4. So it is equal to 3/4 times 3/4, which is 9/16. Let's practice. Identify the base and the exponent in each power. Number 1, 7 to the power of 4. So what is the base? That is 7, while the exponent is 4. Number 2, y to the power of 6. What is the base? That is y, while the exponent is 6. Number 3, quantity x, y, z to the power of 4. What is the base? That is x, y, z, while the exponent is 4. Number 4, quantity a plus b to the power of 7. What is the base? That is a plus b, so the exponent is 7. Rewrite the following expression using exponents. Number 1, a times a times a times a times a. That is, very good, a to the power of 5. Number 2, z times z times z times z. That is, very good, that is z to the power of 4. Next, number 3, c squared. That is, of course, c squared. Number 4, b cubed. That is b to the power of 3. Next, the square of quantity x plus 4. So that is x plus 4 squared. Quantity x plus 4 squared. Next is number 6. 3 times r times r times r times r times r times r. That is 3r to the power of 6. For your reference, we have eMath 8 from the Rex Bookstore. And thank you very much for watching and listening.